Shiva is creating subtlest possible technique for human beings. Human beings as such cannot work directly on the ether, on mind. The thing which they can directly touch is only the breath. And breath is the bridge between you and the universe. It is the bridge between your body and the mind. You can see very clearly. Till breath, you are only body. After the breath, you are mind. If you see all the 5 elements. Till the air, you are only body. Whether it is earth, water, or fire, or the air. All these 4 are only body. But after the breath, after the air, after the prana, it is mind. The ether is mind. The breath is the bridge between your body and mind. Your matter and spirit. Body is the matter. Spirit is the energy. Breath is the bridge between your body and mind. Breath is the bridge between your body and to the universe. Please be very clear. Constantly you are connecting with the universe. You are relating with cosmos through the breath. The moment you stop relating, you are dead. The moment you stop relating, you are dead. He says, this experience may dawn between 2 breaths, after breath comes in and just before turning out. Once the breathing goes in and before it turns out, it touches your inner space. Let it be very clear. Every single breath is directly managed by your Atman, not by your mind. Let it be very clear. That is why even if you forget, you go on breathing. If it is under the control of your mind, long before you would have stopped breathing. Because you forget so many things, you would have forgotten this also. It is not under the control of your mind. It is under the control of consciousness. Every single breath, you go and touch your inner consciousness. You straight away go and reach your inner consciousness, then come out. Every single breath is directly related to your inner consciousness. That is the easiest method to reach enlightenment. Let me be very clear. With any other technique, you have to do something. Here, you don't have to do anything. Just be. And automatically you will be taken into the space where the enlightenment is happening. Automatically you will reach the space where consciousness is your nature. Automatically you will enter into the space where you are in Shiva consciousness. Every moment you are reaching the space of Shiva consciousness, you are entering into the space of Shiva consciousness without even your knowledge. Only thing, all you need to do is just be with the vehicle which goes into the inner space of Shiva consciousness. If you just keep quiet and sit in the train, that is enough. Your breath is the train, vehicle, which is going into the Shiva consciousness every moment. But the moment it goes near the Shiva consciousness, you feel a little suffocated and you say, no, this is not for me, let me get down, you get down. And when the train comes back to your station, you get into the train and come back again. You think of going from here to Seattle, get into the train, but the moment you reach the Mount Shasta, you feel, no, it's too cold, it's not for me, and you get down, wait there. When the train comes back, you sit in the train and come back to LA, that's all. Every moment, God has already created an automatic mechanism to reach enlightenment. And one thing, He doesn't trust us. He knows He knows any job left to human beings, they will mess it. They will mess it. Let it be very clear, he has already created an automatic mechanism where you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is just sit in the train and relax. As they say in the flight, sit back and relax. Enjoy your flight. Nothing else needs to be done. You are in Shiva consciousness. All you need to do is sit back and relax. You are in Shiva consciousness. Here, the first technique, such a beautiful technique, he says, their state of fullness is found by fixing them in two places of the origin. Just before the turning up, there will be always a gap where you don't breathe, where the breath is not happening, where it is taking turn. If you can relax in that gap, if you can be aware of that gap, a sudden explosion of consciousness is possible in you.